안녕 친구, 하나입니다. Today I'll be unboxing 2020 BTS season's greeting. So I have the pre-order gift right here. This is a mouse pad. This will be shown at the end of the video. So I got this as a set. You can purchase them individually, although I don't think the wall calendar is still available now. First, let's start off with the main cost. Oops. You can see there's actually design over this, but it's just stuck to the plastic. I'm just gonna take it out. And look at the site. We have 2020 season's greeting. We have the member's name. At the back we have the information and official sticker. How do I take this out? Probably not. It's not good. So this is how you open it. And wow, this is empty. Just a piece of board. We have a lot of goodies. Let's take a look at the disc. White, pretty. Next we have the desk calendar. So it just stands like this. It's green at the back. Let's do this really quickly. So we have Jin for January. We have Jungkook for February. I feel like I'm looking at some advertisements photo. We have Namjoon for March. We have Yoongi and V for April. Oh my gosh, just stuck together. And we have Namjoon, Jin, and V for May. These photos are really gorgeous. Then we have the group photo for June. Ooh, we have J-Hope, Jimin, Jungkook, and Yoongi for July. For August, we have RM and Jin. Then we have Jimin, Jungkook, J-Hope for September. Because there's some writing over here. Oops, I think there was writing, but I didn't stop for you guys to read, so just rewind if you want to read it. And we have V for October. So I'm writing it here. And then we have Yoongi for November. Ooh, just photos. Pretty. Ooh, J-Hope for December. It's cute. Oh my gosh. And we have Jimin for January 2021. And the end. Next we have the sticker packs. Honestly, I don't remember what comes in this. I'm not sure if this is like I don't want to look at it. So let's take a look at the stickers first. These are glossy stickers. Look at the reflection. This is so adorable. Look at this one. Oh, look at Jin and Namjoon. So cute. I like this one a lot. Let's take a look at the ID photo that came with the stickers pack. So we have Namjoon. He looks so serious. Yoongi, Jin, J-Hope, adorable, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. Oh, he looks like a bunny. Next we have the landing killer card. This is given randomly. So it's what you get 1 out of the 7, and I've got Namjoon. These cards are really pretty. I wish they came out with more of this. Look. Oh, this is so pretty. Next we have the planner. This I am I was looking forward to this a lot because this is so pretty. Look, they have a clear cover with glitter. Very common in I feel like it's very common in most of Koreans diary planner, that is. Wow, this is pretty. This is really difficult to open because it's like really thick. I'm gonna just skim through this. Let's see if there's any photos. So you get manually, you get the notes with Korean writing squares too. You get weekly, and oh, there are days. Oh, look at this. You have words over here. You have Jimin, Jungkook, so each of them like in Church of Day. Oh yes, the photos are what I want to see and what I want to show. So we have Season's greeting message right here. Let's go into the photos. Ooh, these are printed transparent. The brightest moment. Definitely. Wow. Ooh, gorgeous. So pretty. Yeah, I mean, like, BigHit is getting more and more, like, they level up their design game. I really love this concept and the details of the products. It's really pretty stuff, especially the planner. Like, I think, like, out of everything that I've unboxed so far, the planner is my favorite, and so is this year's team. Oh my gosh, look at Jungkook. The group. And now we have some monos photo, black and white. Wow. And then we have credits. And our universe, army, and you can write your personal information here. Lastly, we have some beautiful photos. And well, it's like a message from BTS, so let's just take a look. There's a, wow, I thought those was printed on it, but it's not. It's really pretty. We have RM. Oh, that's RM's message, and we have Yoongi's. Well, they're really impressive. Wow, we have Jin. This is really creative though. Oh, it's so cute. I thought it was printed on a photo. Guess not. Oh, there's a different design behind. Wow. Next we have Jimin. So there was different designs behind. V. Oh my god, it looks gorgeous. Gosh. Oh, this is cute. I have no idea what this is, but it looks cute. Also, we have Jungkook. Ooh, I love his writing. Next, we have 2020 Season's Greeting Wall Calendar. It's mint green. Right, and we'll open from this side of the leaf. You just fold this like this so it's flat. Wow. Alright, so let's see. First we have, oops, the group. Wow, they're so beautiful. And then the other side is empty. We have Jin. The tube. I love Jin with his fake mullet. He looks gorgeous. Though they could have done it at the drop because I could see the trimming. His origin hair. Do you look at Jimin's? Wow. Jimin's is beautiful. His hands are too short. booklet. We have couple T colors. So we have Yoongi and V. Yeah. Oh, Jungkook. Pretty. We have another group. Oh, it looks so sweet. J-Hope. Oh, what was that? Another couple T. So we have Jin and RM. This unboxing is becoming a workout. Yeah. It's definitely a workout. We have V. Ooh, gorgeous. Then we have Jungkook, Jimin, and J-Hope. Yoongi, RM, and lastly we have 2021, and it's the group photo again. Lastly we have the pre-order gift. This is a mouse pad. I remember it's 2 designs, so you get either this one or the other one. Look at this, this is really pretty, oh my gosh. And the back is plain.